we personally, we like facility. We like areas that don't have a lot of facilities, but they have a lot of people. That's what we like. Okay, so we are actually, so for instance, right now we are in an area called. I'm going to go to Google Maps, and we're in an area called Franklin, Georgia. Okay, Franklin, Georgia, if anybody knows, is also a small area and not a lot of people. And I like to Google. I do a lot of Googling Franklin, Georgia population, just so I can have an idea of like what the population of the area is. Right, it's like essentially 912 people in this town. All right, there are 4 facilities. I'm sorry, there's 3 facilities in this town, mine and then 2 others. All right, mine and 2 others. And actually one owner owns one, I'm sorry, 2, and we own 1. Okay, so it's really 2 people that own. Now in this like 10-mile radius of Franklin, I think there's like 25,000 people. There is a lot of people, but the town of Franklin, this little tiny town, has only 900 people, but this radius over here has a lot of people. Okay, so that's what we personally like. So we don't look at just like the population of this little tiny town. We look at like how many storage facilities there are, and within a 10-mile radius, what's the population. There's 3 storage facilities. It's a total of 30,000 square feet in this area, and we are full. We are full, and in fact, we need to be building more because we have wait lists on these facilities. Okay, so just because we're in this little tiny town in the middle of nowhere doesn't mean that there's not a lot of opportunity. Okay, is what I'm saying. And Franklin will help you to determine that. And we also look at that as well too. So that's kind of our personality, and that's like where we look at. And these are all affordable facilities. I mean, actually, we're about to buy. The owner of the other 2 facilities called us up and asked us if we would buy his facilities. He wants to retire. And so we said, yes, we will buy them. So he owns 2 facilities. One of them is 100 units and the other one is like 70 units, something like that. And in this little tiny area, and actually, let me see if I can pull this up. Let's see, storage nearby. Yeah. And so you could see here it is, like A to Z and secure self-storage. And he owns these 2 right here. And so we're going to buy them. And one of them, this one right here, I can't remember which is which, honestly, is the one that has 100, and the other one. No, I think, oh yeah, this one right here has 60, and this one has 100. That's what it is. And we're going to buy both of them for $1 million. Okay, $1 million. And so, and he is 100% full, and it's about 100. I think it's 160 units is what it is, and he's 100% full. Okay,